You guys like my shirt? Describes me. My name is Natalie, aka SM.GLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for being here. So for today's video, I'll be unbagging this month's IPSY glam bag, which looks like this. Honestly guys, this month's bag screams fall. Doesn't it scream fall? Like, so cute. I like it. Anyways, in my opinion, I feel like this month's bag is bomb.com. Like, I feel like it's because I got to customize my bag. So there's this new update where IPSY lets you choose 3 out of the 5 items that you will receive. So I got to choose 3, and guys, I'm happy. Anyways, if you guys are interested on how I got this look right here using the items that I got in this month's bag, then just keep on watching. First off, I wrote all the products that I received right here in my little notebook because IPSY doesn't have an insert card that says the prices of each item, which is understandable because now that they're, you know, personalizing it, people are gonna get different things. The first thing that was in my bag this month was, sorry it's used, but I did use it to do my makeup today, but it's a beauty blender, guys. A beauty blender. Like, what? And I didn't choose this item, they chose it for me. I really appreciate this because I have 2 beauty blenders that are beat up, like beat up. So I'm glad that I got a new one. And beauty blenders retail for $20. Okay, so the next thing that IPSY actually chose for me this month is this TRÈSTIQUE contour stick, and I did use this today, and it's not bad. I think I need maybe a darker shade, but I think I made it work, so I'm not mad at it. But this is supposed to be creamy, buildable, and easy to blend. I agree with the claims. This also has a brush inside, and I tried using the brush that came with this, but I feel like the brush is a little too stiff, so I stopped using it and I just used my beauty blender. But yeah, I really do like that I got this because it reminds me of like the Milk Makeup, I think. Yeah, Milk Makeup bronzing stick. So now moving on to the products that I chose, starting with this. Now this might look familiar to some of you guys because I did receive this. I'm not sure if it was in IPSY or in Boxycharm. So this is the LARUCE 5-piece brush set, and this retails for $154. Yeah, you heard that right. 154 for 5 pieces. So yeah, I chose it because I didn't really like anything else that I had to choose from, so I just got this, and you can never go wrong with brushes, guys. And I use these. They're okay. They're not $154 worth, but I paid less than $30 for the glam bag, so I was like, you know what? That's a steal, guys. That is a steal. Okay, so the next thing that I chose is this, and this is the Vitamin E Balm. So it's like, you know, a lip balm from the brand Feel, and this retails for $24. It feels a little bit minty, but it's not strong at all. So the next and last thing that I chose was this, and this is the Space Case Cosmetic eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. I also did some swatches for you guys so you guys can see how it looks. They're all shimmer, and I'm gonna be honest, they're not the best, but I have it on my eyes right now and they work. They're just not the best. This retails for $32. So that completes what was in my IPSY bag this month. However, I did choose 3 add-ons, and I'm gonna let you know what add-ons I chose. So the first thing that I added on was this, and this is the Pacifica Dessert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronzer. And guys, I really like this. I was shocked to open this and then notice that, boom, there was a mirror right behind it. I feel like that is so cool. Like, that is so cool. Like, you could just, and then, you know, like, I like that. I'll let you guys know the prices of this down in the description box. The next thing that I added on was this. I don't know if you guys can see it. This. I've been wanting to try this out because it has SPF 50 and it's well known. Like, I feel like everyone talks about it, so I just wanted to try it out. What better way to try it out than to, you know, use a sample? So I did like this, but it's not my shade. So yeah, if I do end up, you know, actually getting it full size, I would have to get a different shade. Last but not least is this, and this is the Item Brow Chow Ultra Fine Brow Definer. And guys, I really like this. It reminds me of the Fenty Beauty eyebrow pencil that I used to use, because it has this little brush right here. You can see it reminds me of the Fenty one. However, the formula is definitely different. I feel like this formula is definitely creamier than the Fenty one. I like both of them, but I really do enjoy this eyebrow pencil. So this month's Ipsy Glam Bag total is $258. I really liked and enjoyed this month's bag, and I'm happy because if you guys watched my Boxycharm video, if you haven't, you probably should. Spoiler alert, I wasn't so happy. So yeah guys, that completes this month's Ipsy unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.